Morning. Friday morning. Finish work for the weekend, hopefully. It's a lovely day anyway. So I'm off up allotment in a bit. I'm just having a brew. It's only 7 o'clock. And I've not been on for 3 days, and Henry's not been on, obviously. So hopefully everything's okay. It's not been too warm anyway, so it'll be okay. That cover's blown off. Yeah, so quick brewing off up allotment. Sandra's coming at about 10 o'clock. I'm going for her. She's doing some painting for us. That's earlier. Still going. And I've got another flower on camellia. It's coming out back. Right there, yeah. A lot of blueberries starting. Everything's looking okey-cokey here anyway. That's them peas I did last week because I didn't get back up allotment. When I swelled them, I just threw them all in there. So hopefully they'll all pop and we can transplant them. Right, see you up at the ranch. Boom! Like Mr. Ben on the plot now. Right, first job, kettle's on. And just as I was coming past, I noticed sweet corns are looking a bit raggedy. Check on it, I'll check on tomatoes first. Oh yeah, look okay. Not so bad. Pretty damp. Good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that lettuce looks grand, doesn't it? Look at that. Do the water. We're all okay. Standing up on its own now, see. Week of training. Get in. Yeah, that needs a water. I've done it good that though, drying it out a bit. About in. Give carrots a water after, but they're not so bad. Oh well, not bad then if one of that sweet corn's a bit bitter. Right, we'll make that brew. Joe just gone. There's Lieutenant Pigeon. Captain Crow. I've just been having a brew with Joe, and in his greenhouse he grows strawberries. He always does in gutters, and I forgot about these outside, and these in there they've got strawberries on. But when I've just weeded these have got flowers coming on there, little flowers, so I'm going to weed them and leave them in here, because they should do okay in here. Excuse me, coffee again. So that's what they're like, and then I end up like that, and then I can give them a good feed, get all that grass out, look after them in here then, get them done. Strawberry fields forever. There you go. Ended up with 5 of them, so looking better already. some commotion going on out there. So I'll give them a good feed now. Take care of them in here. Belting. Food. Tomato food. Well, that's everything in here. Had a good drink. I'll just give them a good feed with give them a dosh of doff tomato food. So they should benefit from this warmth and food. Watered all them. Give them a water and then lettuce. Belting. Just put kettle on again. There's baby Robin. It's getting used to us now. Same as t'other one. I'll just give all these a good water. Looking okay, aren't they? They'll be getting suckers on soon when I've got to take them out. None there yet. They're looking okay though. I'll have a good look at them after when our Sandra comes. I'll have a gander around and see if there's any suckers on before they escape us. So everything outside's had a good drink anyway. Everything's looking brilliant. Except for that sweet corn. But I'm not bothered. If I have to buy some more, it's only $1.50 a tray. We'll lose that this year, I'm not bothered. Looking at me, it might be alright. It's cold, got me no more frost now, but it's looking a bit moth eaten. Never mind. You win some, you lose some. Need to water this greenhouse and then that kettle should be boiled. Oh, it's looking a bit dry in there. Give that a drink. Quarter to 9, that's the first sit down I've had since I got here. Missing out Henry, me. Just watered everything up anyway, so I'm gonna have that brew. Oh, there's Robin. Yeah, I'll have that brew and then I'll go home, get my wallet because I need some diesel, and then go and pick Sandra up. She'll be doing some weeding and painting I think today. She's back at work Monday. She's been off on furlough because the firm's been shut down. It was a fresh food for restaurants what they deliver to, but pick it up a bit now, so she's back at work. So off's gone my painter. Never mind. She's coming up after, so she'll probably be touching up and that. Funny about that, she normally does. Normally looks $1 million when she's gone home though. Right, I'm having that brew. See you in a bit. Hey, back again. Kettle's on. Oh, use them magic shoes. Ah, Super Sandra with a paintbrush. Got you again. She's back again. Same as us. I'm just going to screw that on there and fill it with some of that compost off there because it keeps blowing off. But I won't go planting it. I'll get some plants. I'll dig some up from home. Stick in it. And them strawberries have appreciated that food this morning anyway. So I've just had a pie from the petrol station. Steak pasta, lovely. So I'll have a brew and then do that box. Jean Kelly's matinee has been cancelled today, so we've got Sandra Derbyshire weeding in the rain. Just caught Pat. in shop. Else he's got shop open, so got some vermiculite and 3 bags of compost, so I'm going to do that carrot bed when this shower goes over. I'll get some more carrots in. Might as well have a brew. That's kettle back on. Smell gas there then. That kettle had to be on. Yeah, smell that. It is now. I'll gas myself. Hey. Paintbrush 1 minute, weed in another. Oh yeah, I have to black your eyes out with some black finger. So in there I've put 3 75 litres of compost bags and 4 vermiculite, and that's what it's like. Nice and easy. So that's them bottom 2 collars, what's full of that. So now I'll put 4 rows of carrots in there. Let's go and get some seeds. I want to be about 1/2 inch deep, these, in 4 rows. So that should just fit in there, there you go. So we'll plant it. First row there, so we'll just press it down 1/2 inch. Sorry Sandra's painting at the side of me here. There you go. And that's a good 1/2 inch into the soil. So now we can drill our seeds into there. We'll do that 4 times and then bang some seeds in. Right.
I'll kill you.
So there's 2 packets of seeds gone in there. I'll just press that down to 1/2 inch, and so I'll just cover them up now. It's already been watered, so it doesn't need any water. I'll just go alongside and cover them up and leave them to it. And that's carrots in. Need to crack on with that because that kettle's just boiled. Camera shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, like belting then, huh? I'm taking this home. You won't need it here. I'll take that azalea out because it's not. It's come out that easy. The only root it's put down, there's a tap root there, or a couple of tap roots. So that's coming home. I'll put it aside that other one. This is like a pinkish one. This one, I think. We'll look after that home. And then pots are coming home. That's for our Sandra's for a birch tree. It's in a little pot. Well, it's in a Tesco pot actually at the minute. And then that other one's probably for that, if Shirley don't get one. And that's carrots in anyway. Brew again. Right, just found out apparently azaleas like acidic, well drained soil. There's little robin. So that pot I potted them up in was that stuff what I dug up out at garden and rocky hard. So that stuff is like all sandy, and I've got a bit of that left in front garden. So I'll pot that up in there because that one at home obviously likes that soil. So that's where that's going, at the other side of the other one. So I hear a bird watching again. Lovely and quiet up here this afternoon. There's robin again. Little baby one. That's some fat balls. Gone. Oh, there he is. younger then. Oh, well, this doesn't get the dishes washed. I thought we were weed free, and then Sandra come, filled another barrel. I don't know where she gets them from. Boon. All them's weeded now. That one. She's done in there. She's there with a magic paintbrush. Dodging away. Painted in there, aren't you? Yeah. Painted everywhere. Looking good. Done them. Not bothered about that back one because I need a new piece of wood on that. Get them onions and garlic out first though. Yeah, all weed free and painted up. I do want to do it. It's about just gone 1 o'clock. Want to shoot off now, and we'll see if Shirley's back. Can't take that because,
There's one in that fish greenhouse. That one's not been done yet.
oh, hang on, berries here. What?
Oh, in that fish greenhouse.
Alright. Well, hey. All painted up and weed free again. Melting. Right, I'm going to see that azalea at home and get it potted up. See you back there. So pick that pot for it, and go spray it black. And then that'll be going in it. And hopefully in a few weeks it should look like that. There we go. That's black. Just let that dry now. We'll go over the side of there. Right, mop it there. There you go. All potted up. Hopefully it should be like that in a couple of weeks. It's alright, that pot. Shirley's got these plants. I'm going to plant these when I'm going to take our Sandra over and then plant these dianthus. 2 different colours. Nice, isn't they? I'll put them at rockery over there. I'll dig some more of that dandelion out. Get them in there near carnations. Camera shy. Oh, them's bobbing up, aren't they? Yeah. There you go, popped them in that one outside at carnation, and that one in here, where it was throwing all the buttercups down there. So I dug them all out and popped that in. So that should fill that corner now, coming down. If it takes, it should do. Yeah, belting. Neat. See you tomorrow.